Are you looking for windshield repair, Elizabethtown, Kentucky? Well, look no further. Windshield Repair Specialist of Elizabethtown, Kentucky can offer you free rock chip repair for that rock chip or crack on your windshield. With an approved insurance, we can come out and assess your damage on your windshield and get it fixed within 20 to 30 minutes of your time. We come to you. Let our technicians come out and give you windshield repair in Elizabethtown, Kentucky with our free rock chip repair program. Let us get you back on the road with your good as new windshield. We come to you at Windshield Repair Specialist with free rock chip repair in Elizabethtown, Kentucky.